Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short demonstration I'm gonna show you how we are adding our Dahua IP cameras onto the Hikvision NVR. So for this demonstration we're gonna use two Dahua Dome IP cameras. We plug them straight into our NVR, into our PoE ports, and then we are using one PoE port to plug it into our laptop. So on our laptop we are using config tool. That's a Dahua tool for changing IP addresses and initializing cameras. So as you all know guys, so let's say when you plug your cameras, if we were using Hikvision cameras, when we plug and play them, after maybe 10-15 seconds they should show up on our main monitor on our live view. But that's not the case without the Dahua cameras, because let's say Hikvision is using its own video protocol, Hikvision protocol. Dahua is using its own protocol, so that's like two different languages. And to be able to add Dahua cameras onto the Hikvision NVR, we have to do something. We have to enable unwiff. We have to enable unwiff option on our cameras if we are using Dahua cameras on our Hikvision NVR. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Okay guys, so this is our config tool, our Dahua config tool. So in this tool we are changing our Dahua cameras IP addresses. We are initializing our devices to this device. So first of all, okay, we have two devices found on our network. So first of all we have to initialize our cameras. So to do that we have to tick the box, hit initialize. We have to get our password, and my password is gonna be test CCTV1. We have to repeat test CCTV1. We untick this box, or you can leave it, that's up to you. So that's, for example, if you lose some password during time, you can get our recovery key to the email. So we hit next, we hit OK, and that's it. One device have been activated. Click finish. We go on to our other, so you can see here the status of the cameras. So we have this one initialized, we have one more uninitialized. So we hit onto the uninitialized camera, we go onto initialize, we write the password, test CCTV1, test CCTV1, we untick email address, we hit next, we hit OK, and we hit finish. Okay, so now we have our two cameras initialized. So now we're gonna log into one camera at a time. We're gonna enable our unwiff user, and we're gonna change our IP address, because we have to keep our Dahua cameras in the same range with our NVR. So my NVR is sitting on a /24 network. It's 192.168.1.1. So we have to keep our cameras in the same range, because we will have to add them manually, not as plug and play, because they are different vendor. They're not Hikvision cameras. So now to do that we go into our web portal. We're gonna hit the password. It's test CCTV1. Once again, this password I'm using just to show you demonstration of how to add the cameras, but you can use a different of course password, maybe some stronger password. Okay, now so first of all we're gonna go into our settings, we're gonna go into our system, into our account, we're gonna go into our unwiff user, we're gonna add user. So username we can do admin1. Password we can use, we can keep it the same, test CCTV1. test CCTV 1, and group name admin. We save, and that's it. That's a succeeded. So as you can see now, we have as admin one user for our on-with option, so that has been enabled through the camera. And then just to change the IP address of the camera, we go into our network, into our TCP IP, and we choose, I don't know, we can choose number 10. So we're gonna keep our camera in the same range with our NVR 192.168.1/24 network. So we say succeeded, and that's it. We just 192.168. And that's it. As you can see, guys, so we have our on-with user enabled on one of the cameras, and we have our IP address changed on our one of the cameras. So we're just gonna go into our another camera, into the web browser. We're gonna test CCTV 1. And now again we go into our settings, we go into our system, into our account, into our on-with user, and we go add user. Username, maybe we can keep it the same, admin1. Password is again test CCTV 1, test CCTV 1. Group name admin, save, again save, succeeded. We just have to go into our network TCP IP, and we can give this camera IP address, I don't know, we can do 11. Save, succeeded. We hit X, we just refresh, so refresh few times. Let's just wait for our cameras to change the IP address. And that's it. As you can see, guys, so our IP address of the cameras has been changed. We enable our on-with users onto the cameras, so we just have to log in back into our NVR, and I'm gonna show you the last step. Yeah, as you can see, guys, so this is our live view on the Hikvision NVR. So as you can see, nothing is happening still because we have to manually add our Dahua cameras onto the Hikvision NVR. So to do that, you have to go right click on your mouse, you go into the menu. Of course, you have to get it this thing. So we go into our cameras, and now this is a very important part. So I have my cameras plugged into port 1 and port 2. So we just have to go into the edit, into our manual. I think this one is number 10, but we'll see, maybe I'm mistaken. So you can see this now, protocol. So we have to change from Hikvision into the on-with, and we go into the username, and we have to keep the username and password same like we did it in the web browser, so they have to be the same. So our username was admin1, our password was test CCTV1. Just a second. Test 1, and that's it. And we just have to wait and see now. So now status connecting. We should get a blue play bar. Yeah, that's it, guys. So as you can see, status camera is live and working, and as you can see, camera name IPC Internet Protocol camera, protocol on-with. So now we have to repeat the procedure for our next camera. So we go into the manual. I think the next camera was .11. Protocol, we are changing from Hikvision to Unwif. Our username was admin1, I think, and our password was test cctv1. We hit OK, and now just wait and see. Status connecting. And that's it. We have our camera on the system. They're live view, they're on live view. Yeah, that's it. That's a success, guys. So let me see. Yeah. So that's how you add your Dahua cameras onto your Hikvision NVR, and vice versa. If you're using your Dahua recorder and you want to add your Hikvision cameras or some other brand, I don't know, some other vendor, that's how you do it, guys. So that's it. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.